अगर आप यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज 2027 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आज के इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़पेपर के ये 3 मैसिव ब्रेकआउट्स आपके GS-2 और GS-3 सिलेबस के लिए गेम चेंजर्स हैं. Welcome to the Constitution Code. I'm a law officer. Let's put our daily news scanner on the raw facts. Scan number 1. A 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by the Chief Justice Suryakant delivered a critical warning against Bulldozer Justice. While observing that municipal authorities must enforce rules against illegal encroachments, Justice Joy Mallya Bagchi explicitly held that state cannot use laws to terrorize specific individuals. The court ruled that picking and choosing accused individuals to demolish their homes completely shatters the presumption of innocence, which is the foundational bedrock of criminal justice. Scan number 2. India has officially entered the clean hydrogen fuel race. The first ever hydrogen-powered passenger train was flagged off between Jind and Sonipat in Haryana. This train is fully indigenous, running on electricity generated on board through a proton exchange membrane hydrogen fuel cell, emitting absolutely zero carbon, only water vapor. It features a multi-layered automated shut-off security net to cut off the hydrogen supply within seconds of any leak detection. Note this down for a green energy infrastructure essay. Scan number 3. The Delhi High Court has intervened directly to protect the life of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, who is on his 19th day of hunger strike at Jantar Mantar over the NEET UG paper leak controversy. Disposing of a PIL, the High Court directed the centre to deploy a dedicated team of government doctors to monitor his health daily, stating firmly that the life of every single Indian citizen is precious. Stop wasting 2 hours every evening copying lengthy paragraphs from newspaper walls. We scan and summarize the exact legal and scientific codes for you in 3 minutes. Hit that subscribe button to join the Constitution Code, master the system, and let's change the game. See you tomorrow.